Hello, welcome to the demo of the eZintegration platform. It's great to have you here. In this session, I'll walk you through the platform's user-friendly interface and demonstrate how to configure integration bridges effortlessly. Let's get started. The first thing we'll notice is the main dashboard, which is organized into different key sections. Among these, we'll focus on the eZintegration section, as it's the most important for your operations. Let's click on the eZintegration option. Here you'll see a list of integration bridges displayed in a table. Each row provides bridge name, and source type, target name and target type, created date, updated by. This structured layout makes it easy to manage and monitor your integrations. To configure a new integration bridge, let's go step by step. Step 1. Adding a new integration bridge, locate the Add button in the top left corner. Clicking on it brings up a configuration screen with 4 simple steps: data source, data operation, data target, and summary. First, we need to read the data from a source. This is where we define how the integration bridge will connect to the source system to read data. Let me break it down further for clarity. The platform includes a rich library of pre-configured vendors in the API catalog. These vendors cover most popular applications, databases, protocols, and file systems. If a required vendor isn't available, don't worry. You can either onboard the vendor yourself or request our team to add it. This flexibility ensures the platform adapts to your unique needs. Once a data source is selected, you'll see a list of business objects tied to that vendor. The power of the platform lies in its pre-configuration. You don't need to dive into the vendor's API documentation, endpoints, or parameters. Simply select the required business object, and the platform automatically handles the API call structure and parameters for you. If needed, you can modify certain aspects of the data source like query parameters, filters, or authentication credentials. This ensures complete control over how the source data is fetched. Step 2. Data operation. In this step, we process the data extracted from the source system. This is where the platform's transformation capabilities shine. Here's a detailed breakdown. Data operation is essential for preparing, transforming, or enriching data to fit the needs of the target system. The aim is to make the raw data useful and compatible without manual intervention. The data operation step is where the magic happens. Data truly takes shape, transforming raw inputs into valuable, actionable information, whether it's converting single-line data into multi-line format, removing redundant fields, or appending new ones. Every transformation is designed to fit your unique requirements. For example, you can effortlessly concatenate a full name by combining first and last names using the platform's versatile variable syntax, which can be applied consistently across your workflows. Advanced operations like base encoding ensure sensitive data, such as email addresses, is securely encoded before reaching the target system. Need a timestamp for today's date? You can generate it in seconds, adding crucial time-based context to your data. Additionally, with the date analytics, enriching your data becomes seamless by simply entering the fiscal month for your company. Let's say June month 6. The platform dynamically generates a comprehensive set of date-related fields. This includes calendar year, quarter, month, week, and a range of fiscal data metrics. In total, 11 enriched fields are created, providing deep insights and enhancing your dataset with valuable analytics. This automated approach ensures your data is tailored to align with organizational requirements while unlocking actionable insights effortlessly. The data target step is where we define how the transformed data reaches its destination. Once the data has been cleaned, enriched, and optimized, it's ready to be delivered to the target system, whether that's an API, a database, or another application. At this stage, the platform focuses on ensuring compatibility with the target system. Different targets have different requirements. Some might accept JSON, others might need XML, or even SOAP-based requests. The platform takes care of these differences by allowing you to tailor the data format and structure to suit the target system. For example, if the target is a REST API, the platform ensures the data adheres to the expected schema and endpoint requirements. Another powerful feature is the platform's ability to handle diverse target systems, just like it does with data sources. Whether it's a cloud storage service, a database, or a protocol-based system, the platform supports seamless connections. This flexibility means that no matter where your data needs to go, you can configure it to fit perfectly. What's great is that the transformation and delivery process remain intuitive. After completing your data operations, the platform automatically links the output to the target system. If needed, additional adjustments like renaming fields, restructuring payloads, or changing data types can be made within the same drag and drop interface. And once the data is ready to be delivered, you have control over when and how the target system receives it. You can choose to send the data immediately, schedule it to run at specific intervals, or even trigger it based on external events. By the end of this step, your pipeline is complete. Data flows from the source, undergoes the necessary transformations, and is delivered in a way that aligns perfectly with the needs of the target system. This ensures a smooth and reliable integration process, regardless of the complexity of your systems. The final step, summary, is where everything comes together. After configuring the data source, performing transformations, and defining the target, this step provides a comprehensive overview of your integration bridge and lets you finalize key details before deployment. At this stage, you'll define the integration bridge name and provide a short description. This helps you and your team quickly identify the bridge and understand its purpose. Naming conventions and descriptions are especially useful when managing multiple bridges across various systems. Next, you'll configure the execution schedule for the bridge, whether the data needs to be transferred on a regular interval, like hourly, daily, or monthly, or triggered on demand like event-based triggering using webhook and WebSocket. The platform provides complete flexibility. This scheduling capability ensures that the data flows precisely when it's needed without manual intervention. The platform also allows you to set up notifications. For example, if there's an error in processing, a failure in the source or target system, or a data anomaly, email alerts can be sent to the appropriate teams. These proactive notifications help minimize downtime and keep operations running smoothly. Additionally, this step offers a summary of key metadata, such as the creator's name, the creation and last modification dates, and other relevant details. This audit trail ensures transparency and helps in tracking changes over time. Finally, before the integration bridge goes live, the platform provides a consolidated view of the entire configuration. This includes the data source transformations, target system, and execution settings. This summary acts as a final checkpoint, allowing you to verify that everything is set up correctly and meets your requirements. With the summary step complete, the integration bridge is ready to deploy, ensuring a seamless, automated flow of data between your systems. This step brings clarity, control, and confidence to the entire integration process. Once the integration bridge goes live, managing it is straightforward. You can easily start or stop the bridge with a single click, allowing you to control the data flow as needed. Additionally, the platform provides live logs that let you monitor the bridge in real time. These logs display detailed insights into data processing, transformations, and delivery, along with any errors or warnings. This ensures you have full visibility and control over your integration operations at all times. With eZintegration, you don't just manage integrations, you empower your business to operate smarter, faster, and with unparalleled confidence.